guys, welcome back to another Dad Mods video. So today we're going to be talking about how I shortened the rear fender on my 1978 Yamaha XS650. I took about 6 inches, give or take, out of the middle of it, welded it back together, powder coated it. Turned out awesome, and I'm going to show you guys all of the footage from how I did that. Wow, does it really come off that easy? What? No way. That's cool. Sportier. Probably still helps shield some splatter. Paint that thing black. Let's see. This we can work with. But unfortunately, yeah, it's gonna end up tipping down a little bit. It does look a lot better that way. All right, we're just gonna start trimming it and try to see how this works. We're gonna actually overlap it the first time. Biggest thing is we're gonna cut these ears off, like a section there, and then we're gonna just tuck it back and see how it looks until we get it the way we want it. That looks pretty good. Yeah,
Yeah, that's actually a lot better, a lot more subtle looking. So we'll get the rest of this chrome off of here and we'll tack it. It might get overlapped and shortened a tiny bit, we'll see, but it's pretty good. Sweet, okay. Let's do some tacks. Hell yeah. Look at that. The seam is really subtle. That looks so much better.
All right, let's check out this last fender. A little bit of stuff coming out. All right. We did it, guys. We pulled it off. We bobbed a fender. It looks great. It looks subtle. It's not quite as big and obnoxious as the factory one. I've always had kind of a gripe about factory fenders on these bikes, which I know they obviously serve a function being that big, but they just kind of look like a dog who's got its tail tucked in between its legs. It just kind of looks, I don't know. I don't like it. Whatever, maybe you guys do. You probably don't if you're tuning into this video, but anyway, it came out really good in my opinion. So it's tucked up and short. You know, I found that being able to take that 6 inches or so out of the center of it, that it didn't actually disrupt the curvature of it at all. So it still looks consistent. The curve doesn't look interrupted anywhere. There's no angles that are weird. And it's all tucked up really nicely. I made sure to have the point where it's being welded is kind of like behind the frame tube, as well as these ears that stick out that used to have the turn signals on it. So yeah, looks pretty good, pretty subtle. And of course we did the gloss black to match with the gas tank. All of that might change down the road, but for now, looks awesome. I'm really pleased with this, and as you guys are probably seeing in the background, there are a few other parts that got powder coated at the same time. which will be going on in another video, because right now we got to button this thing up so that we can start putting together the air box on it and get this thing riding again. So tune in to the next video on the XS650 series to see how how I restored the air box and hopefully got this thing riding again. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you on the next one.